Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to make Discord look clean. So the first way is let's fix the core settings. So in the user settings, you go here and then you choose appearance. So the move here is as follows. Just switch your message display from cozy to compact. Alright, so as you can see, it's under the UI identity, set to compact. And this removes user avatars and shrinks the vertical gap, letting you see 50% more conversation at once. Then scroll a bit down to the sidebar layout, if you have it. And then just toggle sync with server icons to off. This allows you to hide those distracting server badges until you actually hover over the sidebar. It's an instant visual reset. And also don't forget that there are server folders. As you can see, I have already one folder created here, and you can do it as well. So for example, I will blend them for you here. So you just drag one on top of another and create your folder. It's pretty simple. Then right-click every channel you don't check daily and hit mute channel. So we have, let me see, mute server, and then choose until I turn it back on. I usually do this always when I join some server on Discord. And also you can remove the shop and activities. In the latest April update, you need to go to user settings and then open up the privacy and safety. And somewhere here, you can find the settings for show reward notifications and enable activity join requests. So this removes those annoying red new badges that constantly try to pull your attention away. And these should make sure that your Discord is now clean and good looking. Enjoy the video guys, like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.